Welcome to Bosch's Technical Support on Demand video series, the DVAR IP Configuration Client 2-minute drill, User Groups and Users. To create new user groups and users in Configuration Client, select the User Groups tab at the far right-hand side at the top of the application. By default, there are two existing user groups, the admin group and the operator group, and one existing user, the admin user. Permissions are assigned at the user group level, and then users are assigned to a user group. To add a new user group, select the Add New User Group icon or right-click User Groups and select New User Group. You should receive a New User Group pop-up. Give the user group a name and a description and select OK. Defining user group permissions is performed left to right. They fall under two major categories of device permissions and operator permissions. The first sub-tab underneath device permissions is a logical tree tab. By default, a new user group has permissions to all devices or items in the logical tree. To remove permissions to a particular group of items or individual item, simply uncheck the folder, map, or individual item in the tree. The same procedure can be used when dealing with permissions for events and alarms, control properties, camera permissions, and decoder permissions. The first submenu under Operator Permissions is the User Group Properties tab. Here you can set the group's default language, login schedule, and LDAP integration if applicable. The Operator Features tab allows you to restrict specific features that are available in BVMS Op Client. You must review this tab thoroughly for any group that you create. Other submenus are Priorities for pop-up behavior and User Interface, which is applicable to BVMS Operator Client machines with multiple display monitors. To add a new user, simply click on the Add New User button or right-click the new group that you created and select New User. Once you create a new user, you can either click on the new user name or right-click and select Rename to rename the user. To the right, you'll see a User Properties menu. This allows you to give it a full name, description, set a password length, and reset a password. After saving your work and pushing your configuration, test your work by logging into Operator Client using the new user. Op Client functionality and logical tree should reflect the permissions that you assign to the new user group and user. This concludes this 2-minute drill. Thank you.